this video, we will show you how to reset Epson XP960 using adjustment programs. Before you download these adjustment programs or resetter, you need to disable all of your antivirus, include Windows Real-Time Protection and the Tamper Protection if you are using Windows 10. After you disable all of your antivirus, you can just download this adjustment program or resetter via link in the description. After you download this file, you can right-click and choose Extract here. Open the resetter folder and right-click in this adjustment program and choose Run as Administrator. Please select particular adjustment mode and choose Washing Pad Counter. Click OK and tick in the main pad counter. Then you can click button Check. After that, you can click button Initialize. After resetting done, you can just click Finish and you can turn off your printer. Then you can turn back on your printer again. That's all.